everyone, and welcome back to a new vlog and to the October edit of One Piece 5 looks, which I do as a monthly edit. You must be aware about it if you've been following me for some time. But before I start, let me apologize for the background noise because today is the Sera and there's a lot of drum roll and firecrackers going on. So you might be a tad bit, disturbed by that. So sorry for that in advance. Anyway, yeah, so I wanted to pick something special for this once One Piece 5 looks edit. So I brought in my favorite accessory, and that is the hat. Now I know this looks quite summery, and in a transitional season, it's quite a mismatch. But if you remember, I just did a monsoon to autumn transition wardrobe video, so I thought it might be a bit repetitive. So I chose a summer theme again. But anyway, in Mumbai, it's always hot, and it's already hot right now in the transition time. So anyway, it doesn't matter. So look at this hat. This is a pretty thing in my wardrobe, and I think it is the first hat that I ever bought. I bought it from Bandra, and it has three pretty flowers: yellow, peach color, and a lilac color, and a very nice, raffia kind of look of the hat. So, love wearing this. I have worn this to death, and my friends have also worn it. And yeah, I'm gonna style this piece today with 5 outfits. So, let's go. Okay, so this is the first outfit for this hat to go with, and it's quite a summery look. I have tried to pick a autumnal yellow. This is more of a mustard yellow, less a lemon yellows, to just honor the transitioning season. And yeah, I've paired it with my knit. I would not call it knit, but yeah, it's a tank top which is a little warm, not like 100% cotton. So that also kind of honors the autumnal vibes. And I have paired it with my lovely Gucci white sandals and some nice jewelry to go with it. So this is a pretty set of earrings that I have. I think it was gifted to me, I'm not sure. And then I have paired it with this long, very long necklace. Again, I don't know from where I acquired it, but it goes completely with the beachy vibe. Let me know what you think, how this hat goes with this pretty outfit. Maybe you can rate it on a scale of 1 to 5 because we'll be doing 5 outfits. So maybe you can tell me where this stands after you've seen all the 5 outfits. But I love the skirt. This is Latin quarters. Actually, it's a two-piece. It has a matching top to go with it, but I feel like it's too yellow. So I usually style the skirt and the yellow top separately. Anyway, TMI. So let me know what you think. Personally, I love this combination. All right, now look at this pretty, sexy, hot number. And this dress, guys, is from Costa Rica. Yes, this was my birthday outfit for my 37th birthday that I had celebrated with my team in Costa Rica. And I had grabbed it on a, I mean, it was a steal. I had grabbed it on a sale somewhere in a store over there. I couldn't believe I didn't have anything to wear for my birthday. I hadn't carried anything. And I saw this dress and I knew this was the one. And it was so economically priced. Based in US dollars, it was like, I think $20 is what I paid for it, which is fab because since 2017 until now, I have this dress and I've worn it so many times. I don't wear it so often now because I don't get the occasions to wear. So I'm saving it for my nieces if they want to, wear it somewhere. But anyway, I'm babbling now. So look at this outfit. It's a very pretty white number with lovely green, flower and petals on it, and a lovely green band like so. And yeah, I have paired it with a pretty, pearl set. This is a pretty pearl earring I have, and I matched it with this simple pearl necklace. I have so many pearl jewelry pieces, as you know, and this bracelet. So love this outfit. This is a perfect outfit for, a day to night transitioning glam party where, let's say, you have to go somewhere in a glam party in the afternoon, and at that time it's too hot. So this hat will protect you and make you look super glam. And then in the evening, when it's dark, you can get rid of the hat and still look glam. It also protects your makeup from dripping off. So yeah, look at this lovely dress. Look at the cut. I just love this. And this dress looks fab. Let me know what you think, guys. Rate it on 1 to 5. Basis your desire. All right. Now I'm going to a beachside cafe with this lovely outfit, and you might be thinking it's all about beach, 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 but that's where the sun is, guys, and in the garden. So that's where you're gonna wear a hat, right? So this outfit is perfect for a coffee date on a beachside cafe, and I just love these palazzos. This was gifted to me by my sister, I think, last year, along with a matching, how to say, shrug to go with it. And this one also is something I bought from Ahmedabad. It's a three piece. So I guess I just mix matched it to go with it. And yeah, I'm wearing my block heels to go with it. And for jewelry, I'm wearing a very pretty, like, shell kind of necklace. I just love it. And it has this rose gold, how do you say it, pendant. And I paired it with a rose gold, earring, hoop earring, because it was giving a rose gold vibe. So I paired it with a rose gold bracelet, which also has a pearl, which is something I love to adorn. Anyway, so I love this vibe. It's very, very beachy and very, very coffee shop. So let me know what you think. The hat goes perfectly with it if you have to sit outside, in the open area of the cafe and sip on a cool drink or maybe a cold coffee, whatever you want. But love this outfit, and I love that it has pockets to go with it. Tell me, tell me. Let me know what you think, guys. I just love this outfit. It's so carefree, and yeah, rated from 1 to 5 based on your wish. All right, up next is this very pretty yellow and white midi dress from Latin Quarters. I have this dress for some time now, guys. I bought it along with another light blue, sky blue dress of similar kind with a pretty, design detail on the sleeves. And yeah, it is extremely lightweight. It's almost like I have nothing on my body. It's so lightweight and it goes perfectly with this hat. This is perfect for a, lovely afternoon garden party or evening garden party where the sun is a little high on your head and you want to shade yourself. So this hat would go perfectly with this dress. Let me show you up close. Oops, sorry for the cracker if you heard it. So yeah, I have changed the side of this, so it has, you can wear it with the lavender or like side up or the yellow side up. So I just wanted to change it to lilac for a little contrast. And yeah, for the jewelry, I have gone with a very pretty necklace which has like yellow dot and like white flowers, and a matching bracelet. Oops, this was gifted to me as a birthday gift, I think, for by my sister-in-law, and I've been wearing it non-stop since then. And I've matched it with a small stud earrings, which is also with me for ages now. Can't remember. And this dress is very uniquely designed. It's a nice flap like this over here, and these kind of cut sleeves. You can wear it like so, or you can wear it like so. And then nice, demarcation over here, so it gives you a nice silhouette. It has a chain, so you can, fit it in. And yeah, it has a layered, like you can see, this is layer one, and there's layer two and layer three frills to it. So love this one. I've been wearing it a lot, guys, and I've paired it again with my beachy sandals, and that's about it. I think I love this. Let me know what you think and rate it from 1 to 5. Basis your choice. Okay, last but not the least, this very pretty strawberry and vanilla combination, which is one of my favorite combinations. So I'm wearing this very cute pink capri that I have for some time. It's from Cross, needless to say, and this very pretty white crop top, which I'm wearing off the shoulders today. Normally I wear it on the shoulders, if that's how you call it. And this is from Forever New, like I said, and it has this very pretty, net detail. I don't know what it's net or what detail it's called, but yeah, it has frill over it, and this is completely, you know, yeah, elasticated or smoked bodice as it is called, and it has lovely frill at the base also. I love to wear such elasticated bodice because it gives a nice silhouette to your outfit. And yeah, for jewelry, I have gone a little bit more sophisticated with a pearl, rose gold pearl necklace and some white pearls to mix and match the pink and white look, and also some rose gold rings with a pearl to go with it. Yeah, so this outfit, guys, is perfect for when you're going out to watch maybe a badminton match in a stadium and you don't want to look very like casual, you want to look more feminine, then this kind of outfit is perfect. And this hat would generally naturally protect you from the harsh sun. And for shoes, I've gone very practical with my loafers from hold on, yeah, Shootopia. These are so good, and they also have matching, rose gold beads over here. So this is perfect. The bow design is cute, and this outfit is 10 on 10 for me, or rather 5 on 5 for me. From all the 5 outfits, I love this look the best. So I have shown you all the 5 outfits now, so you can rate, your best at 1 and your least favorite at 5. Let me know in the comments down below. Alright folks, that's all from me for my One Piece 5 looks October edit this time. I hope you loved all the pairs that I've made, all the looks that I've made. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments down below. And I will see you again next week with another vlog. Until then, take care, have fun, happy shopping!